I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here for another super easy, super delicious, super fun recipe. Before we make our recipe, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I am so excited to show you this wonderful recipe. It is just absolutely scrumptious. These cookies are the best cookies I think I've ever had. So in this bowl, I have 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 egg, and we're going to add in 1.5 cups of sugar. We'll get all of this mixed up together. Now that we have all of our wet ingredients mixed up with the sugar, we're going to start adding the rest of our ingredients. I have a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. I have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I have 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and we're going to gradually add in 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Let's get mixing. Now that we have our dough all mixed up, it's time to go on to the next step. The next thing we're going to do is take this bowl, and I have 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm just going to mix this around with a fork and get it all stirred up. I have a tray here lined with parchment paper, and I'm just going to use this scoop. And I'm going to just start scooping in and getting out balls of the cookie dough. With good clean hands, just roll it around a little bit and then toss it in the sugar cinnamon mixture. A fork is the best thing to use for this because that way you can pick up the extra and shake it off. And then just go ahead and put it on the tray. Our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Now we'll put our cookies in for 10 to 12 minutes. These beautiful cookies turned out so soft and tender. They're nice and soft and chewy. Absolutely delicious. I have packaged up some cookies to take to my son when I go to see him. He'll be so excited. I'll have the full recipe below so you can make these cookies yourself. I am so happy you're here. I had so much fun putting this recipe together, and I hope you give it a try and realize just how easy and how delicious it is. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.